you.
Absolutely.
I could read it.
Okay, you read it.
Envy glowers green for those within your reach, while my tongue in wandered knots, unsure just how to breach. Wow,
Yeah.
I see you, man. Dang.
Do whatever you want.
Do whatever I want. The law is like bacon. It will hurt you if you try to make it while naked, unless you are graceful.
Chino, wake up from this dream. Progress only happens when you are here. Remember the first time you heard your voice on a recording, and you kept your mouth shut. That voice that silenced your voice is the same one that wants you asleep. Could you dream anything as beautiful as the future your voice can make?